Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off Mattered connections in Windows 11. So if you're having trouble with slow downloads, limited background activity, or updates not installing on your Windows 11 PC, so it might be because your Mattered connection is turned on. So the Mattered connections is useful for saving data, but if you want unrestricted internet access, you will need to turn it off. So to do this, you can just open the settings on your Windows PC, then click on the network and internet from the left panel. Select Wi-Fi, then click on your connected network. Let's say this one. Then you can just scroll down and find the Mattered connections. After that, you can just toggle the switch off to disable it. This one is already off. And the second method, you can also use control panel. You can press on the Windows plus R and then just type this one, hit on OK, and right click on your Wi-Fi or Ethernet network, click Properties, select the Networking tab, and uncheck any setting related to the Mattered connections. Then after that, you can just tap on OK. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.